all dusty perfume tray.
Hey y'all, here I go again. It's June the 1st. I guess I'll go ahead and clean off this perfume tray. I haven't cleaned it off in over 6 months, so ain't no telling how it look. I'm so tired of this mess. Every time I turn around, I'm trying to go viral. I cannot go viral for nothing in the world, you guys. I'm almost at 3,000 watch time hours, y'all. Help me out a little bit. Help me out. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, y'all. It look disgusting. It look like all kind of perfume, lotions, oils, and everything done dripped on him. So it just need a good old cleaning. I'm going to take it in the bathroom and get it on together, y'all. I was going to go in the kitchen, but I decided not to. I think the bathroom will be a little bit more convenient for stuff like these. I got some wet wipes. I'm gonna take this hand soap, put it on this perfume tray, baby, and just try to clean everything off of it. It's really dirty, you guys. I didn't even think that a perfume tray could get this dirty just by perfume sitting on it, but I was sadly mistaken. Y'all see all this mess on him, mess that's hard to come out. I gotta put a little elbow grease in it to get this mess here off of it. It's a lot of dirt on the side. It's a lot of oil on the side, and one of the perfume bottles was stuck at the bottom, so I can barely get this mess off. I'm so tired of this, y'all. Am I ever gonna go viral? I keep putting out video after video every day, another video, another short, another this, another that. Ain't went viral yet. Been on him since April 2022. Still ain't went viral. But anyway, let me go ahead and clean this little thing right here so y'all can see how clean it can be, where you can see through it. It's a mirror. But first, I gotta soak it a little bit because the sticky stuff that was on the bottom of the perfume and the lotion and the oil bottles, it's hard for it to come up. I'm just gonna go ahead and use all the soap, baby. I just have to buy some more tomorrow. Now, I thought cleaning this was gonna be an easy task, but just like I said, you gotta put a little elbow grease in it to get it all cleaned up, y'all. It's really getting on my nerves now. I was just trying to come up with a video to do, so I was looking over there at my perfume and stuff. I said, whew, I bet that sucker nasty. I ain't cleaned it in 6 or 7 months. Let me go ahead and clean it. Here I am with the video cleaning the perfume tray, baby. Y'all got a perfume tray at home? Because I know a lot of y'all got a whole lot of perfume. I need to stack up on mine. I think next time I go to the store, I just start buying one bottle per store trip. I gotta clean the sides, the top of the sides. It's even terrible on the bottom. I just ain't showed y'all that, but I'm gonna clean that too. Now just imagine this little small perfume tray, and it's taking me this long to clean it. I like stuff clean. I don't know about y'all like stuff clean and stuff to smell good. So I'm constantly cleaning different things in my house so my house can stay clean and smell good. You don't be wanting all them germs and stuff everywhere. You want stuff to stay clean. So I really done got this together, y'all. Y'all see how clean it is? I'm going to wipe it down, get all the water off of it before I put my perfume back on here, y'all. It really turned out really clean, you guys. So let me just go ahead and get this together right quick. Throw these wipes in the trash. And here go all my perfume right here, y'all. I put it on a towel in my bedroom. And now I got to clean each one. Clean all the perfume off of the outside of it. Clean up all the lotion and oil that's been spilled on it. Whew. Jeez, I didn't know it was going to be this much activity going on. But I'm going to go ahead and get it together, y'all. It ain't going to take but a few more minutes. Y'all hang on in there with me. And maybe I'll encourage you to clean your perfume tray. And I'll be back. You know I'm coming back. Peace.